Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a very beautiful makeup look that's perfect for Valentine's Day. Before we begin, let me tell you that the products that I will be using today are mostly from Sugar Cosmetics. So let's begin. Firstly, after moisturizing my face, I have applied a primer which will close all my pores and give me a smooth base for creating my further makeup. I am using Aquaholic Hydrating Foundation from the Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 35 Frappe, and I will take just a little amount on my face and I will just blend it with a beauty blender. Next, let's conceal my dark circles and blemishes under my eyes, and I am using over here autocorrect creaseless concealer in the shade 40 Brief from the Sugar Cosmetics. I am using the same beauty sponge to apply the concealer, and then I am blending the concealer into my skin using a gentle patting motion. Make sure to blend the concealer very well so it look like your second skin. I have also tried to highlight my eyebrow area with the same concealer, and I will just blend it, and that's it. Our concealer is applied and blended. Next, let's move to the eyebrows. Over here I have taken a small angled brush like you can see, and I will dip it into a black eyeshadow because my eyebrow color is totally black. So I will dip into it and I will make sure that my all gaps are fill in with the help of this. Moving on to our eyes, let's start with the light all over eyeshadow color. Over here I am using a very light pink fuchsia kind of a color, and I will blend it all over my eyelid and give a little bit of depth in the outer corner. Okay, now let's line our eyes with some eyeliner. I have created this fuchsia pink kind of a color eyeliner, and you guys also can do it. Just take a little bit of micellar water, dip the brush into it, and then dip it to the favorite eyeshadow color of your choice, and then line your eyes like what I am doing over here, and you will get a pretty good eyeliner, winged eyeliner on your own. If you want to keep it simple, you can skip the steps. I have added some glitters and also some rhinestones upon my eyelids so that it will give it a like Valentine vibe. For my lips, I am using the same color, fuchsia pink color, that I have used to create my eyeliner. Firstly, I will take my Vaseline and line my lips so that my lips are moisturized enough to hold that eyeshadow color into it and give it so vibrant look. And that's it. Our Valentine's Day makeup look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more makeup tutorials and other fun content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.